What's up, everyone? So, today I want to break down something that you could be struggling with. And it's a pretty simple concept, to be honest with you. And a lot of you new stylists or anyone out there, really, you see a person on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, and you may want to buy their course, or you want to like follow their routine or their steps and their tricks on how they do hair and how they color hair. But here's the thing you're missing. It's really not what they're doing, right? Or how they got to like become such a great platform artist or become a great stylist. It's who they are and who they became. It's what they're doing behind the scenes. You're not truly grasping that concept yet. It's it's a compounding effect of everything that person's doing. You can't just take a course and expect to be a superstar stylist. You can't just watch a couple YouTube videos and expect to elevate your career or run one or two Facebook ads because that's what somebody tells you to do, and that's how they were able to build this amazing business behind the chair through Facebook and Instagram ads and posting what time to post. It's who that person actually is that made them the stylist they are today. That's how they got busy because of who they are. So, what does that mean to you? That means if you are lacking in other areas of your life, if you are lazy with returning phone calls, returning Instagram DMs to potential clients, you're not going to be able to attract that client because you're not going to get back to them, and then they're going to find a new stylist. If you aren't putting in the work needed, like you can't just watch one video on how to do a money piece, for an example, and then just try it on the first client that comes in the salon. You need to practice that technique over and over and over again, and then practice it behind the chair and perfect it and get your own style of that technique. What works for person A doesn't always work for person B because they both see things differently. They both have different strengths and different weaknesses, a different touch when it comes to styling hair or sectioning hair. But the most important factor is it's who you are that's going to dictate how successful you are in this career. If you are not dependable to your clients, if you're always canceling, if you're always moving things around or always running late because you don't value their time, that's a character flaw. That's a part of who you are. You don't value time. You're not going to build a career like that. So if you just direct your attention on being a better person and being the person who deserves to be successful, you are going to grow your business through the roof. So it's not how these people did it, it's who they are that did it. So just remember that when you're trying to build your career and you're really trying to elevate to that next level, it's not what, how many videos you watched, it's who. Be that person who deserves to be busy behind the chair, and you will be busy behind the chair.